vseagull.com Review, a cautious scam awareness overview for online users. vseagull.com appears to be an online platform that requires careful verification. At the time of review, limited public company details may raise transparency concerns. Users should check whether the platform lists a verifiable legal entity and address. Always confirm any claimed license directly through official regulator websites. Be cautious of platforms promising high returns, fast withdrawals, or guaranteed profits. Public reputation signals, reviews, and domain history should be reviewed before engagement. If withdrawals are delayed or communication changes, document every transaction and message. RSF.Support lets users submit complaints, report scams, and check reputation indicators. If you were affected, report the issue on RSF.Support and include supporting evidence. Stay cautious. Check reputation signals before depositing funds or sharing personal data.